Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making sweet potato hash. It's a perfect side dish for your Thanksgiving dinner. Let's get started. 1 large or 2 medium sweet potatoes, 2 medium potatoes, 1/2 red bell pepper, 1 medium sweet onion, 4 cloves of garlic. Set the temperature on the stove to high. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in the garlic. Add in the onions and stir until they are golden. Add in the potatoes and cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Remember to stir every few minutes. Add in the sweet potatoes. Add 1/2 teaspoon or 4 pinches of salt. Add some fresh ground pepper. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Remember to stir every few minutes. Add in the red pepper and cook on medium heat for 3 minutes. And there you have it, sweet potato hash. Delicious. Hope you all have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next time.